Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear brothers and sisters, Muhammad used to recite every Friday a surah that contains stories of trials, lessons of faith, and a light that shines until the next Friday. Yes, we're talking about Surah Al-Kahf, the virtues of Surah Al-Kahf, the stories hidden within, how it protects us from the trial of Dajjal, and how it fills our life with light and guidance. Let's begin this spiritual journey. And you know that there is a chapter in the Quran and a sign of blessings that continue into the next week. The Prophet said, whoever memorizes the first 10 verses of Surah Al-Kahf will be protected from the trial of the Dajjal. Sahih Muslim 809. The Dajjal will be the greatest fitna, trial, of all time. Surah Kahf is a divine protection against his deception and power. Whoever recites Surah Al-Kahf, light will be created for him from his place to the heavens on the day of judgment, Musnad Ahmad, when others will be lost in fear and darkness. The reciter of this surah will walk in divine light and peace. Youth who protected their faith. The 4 major trials in Surah Al-Kahf. These young believers left everything to protect their faith. Allah rewarded them by preserving them, miraculously for 309 years in a cave. The trial of wealth, the man with 2 gardens. The arrogance of wealth. When someone forgets Allah in their success, that wealth becomes a curse. Humility is the true richness. The trial of knowledge, Musa and Khidr. With knowledge, patience is still essential. Even the most knowledgeable must remain humble. Allah's wisdom is beyond our understanding. And the trial of power, Dhul Qarnayn. Power is a blessing only with justice, men. When power is used to serve people and protect the weak, it becomes a divine favor. Practical lessons from Surah Al-Kahf. The great life trials, faith, wealth, knowledge, power. This surah is not just for recitation, but for reflection and action. It teaches us how to face life's greatest test and overcome them. With guidance from Allah, let's make a promise today to recite Surah Kahf every Friday, to memorize its verses, and to let its light. Bonus benefits of Surah Al-Kahf. Deepens our connection with Allah. Saves from trials of wealth. Knowledge, power, teaches humility. Patience and trust makes us ready for the end times. The blessings of Surah Al-Kahf. The Prophet made it a habit to recite this surah weekly. As his ummah, let us revive this sunnah, receive this light, and prepare ourselves spiritually, even if you start with 10 verses. Start today. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and family, comment below. Do you recite Surah Al-Kahf every Friday? Let's spread the light of Surah Al-Kahf together. Brings barakah, blessings in life and light in the grave.